what I do in this position is I reset expectations, and I go ahead and tell you, I'm probably the most expensive guy. Or when I buy houses, I'm probably going to give you the least amount of money, to be honest with you. But I can perform on everything else. If price isn't the issue, great, because I'm the most expensive guy for a reason, because I can give you that speed and I can give you the convenience both. Customer service seems to be something for you. We're A-rated in every way, shape, or form with that. We're also A-rated with the Better Business Bureau. You can look up, you can see reviews that we've had in the past, and those are real people that put that in there. Our company is West Texas Real Estate Investment Group. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have Tony, he's going to write up the proposal here in about 15 minutes. He's going to send it over to you. And you said 2 weeks?
2 weeks, yeah.
All right, so in 10 days, I'm going to give you a call. Unless something changes in the meantime, I'm going to have Tony give you a call. Well, no, I'll do it. I'll give you the call. In 10 days or less, depending on, unless I hear from you first, right? If you could, let me know.